Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself help. We just showed you how to install a dedicated 20 amp circuit for a sump pump in a finished basement. But what if you needed that outlet installed on your unfinished basement's foundation? We will pretend this drywall is your unfinished basement and show you what to do. You will need a stick of 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch PVC or EMT. We will use EMT. You will need a 3/4 inch connector. You will need a handy box with a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch knockout, EMT straps, bang-on bushings, a 20 amp single receptacle, cover plate, and tap cons. First, you will want to install the conduit using your tap cons. Since this isn't really concrete, we will just use drywall screws. Then you will bang on the bushing. Install the handy box. You must install a grounding screw in the metal box and wrap the ground wire around it. Then wire up the device. Ground wire to ground screw, neutral to neutral screw, and hot to black screw. Install the metal cover plate and you are good to go. Visit thevirtualelectrician.com for more help with your electrical projects.